Reading about household duties. My mom always mops the floor. My mom always mops the floor. Sometimes my grandma cooks. Sometimes my grandma cooks. My dad never sweeps the floor. My dad never sweeps the floor. Now let's do it together. Number 1. My mom always mops the floor. Number 2. Sometimes my grandma cooks. Number 3. My dad never sweeps the floor. Well done.